So in this tutorial, I'm actually going to cover one of the exercises in the book. So this is the one that talks about applying line weights and template title block to an existing drawing. So this is an existing drawing, and for the sake of discussion, we are going to pretend that this line work has the correct line weights. So you're going to have to use your imagination since it's very crude right now. So the first thing I need to do is go to my layout 1, and I'm going to right click on this. Well, before I do all of that, I want to make sure that my layer 0 is the current layer. So I'm going through all of my tasks here. Yep, that is correct. And I'm going to type in ELEV to make sure my elevation is 0, which it is. And I want to make sure that my thickness is also set to 0. Another thing I want to take a look at, just from looking at how these units here are appearing, is my drawing units. I need to know if my insertion is in feet or inches, and it looks like it is in inches. So I am going to have to do some conversion when I bring in my template. So I'm going to right click on layout 1 again, and I'm going to go to Page Setup Manager, and I'm going to click Modify. So NCS is set. I want this to print to a PDF, and I want this to be set to ArchD. And let's take a look at everything else here. Looks pretty clean, so I'll go ahead and click OK and click Close. And right now I'm not going to be too concerned about that viewport being teeny tiny. The next thing I need to do is insert my title block. So I'm going to type in Insert, and I'm going to browse, make sure I'm in the right folder, to my title block here. I'm going to click Open. And if you recall, I checked my units and it's in inches and not in feet, and I can see that my insertion is going to be in the scale of feet. So I need to do a conversion factor. Basically I need to divide 1 by 12 and type that value inside of here, and that comes out to be 0.08333. So I'll go ahead and click OK, and you can see that it's going to be the correct scale. If it's not, then you probably typed in a number incorrectly, or maybe you didn't check in uniform scale. So here I'm going to type in 0, 0, 0, just like before, and just press enter, and it comes in at the right location. Now I just need to reposition my viewport, so I need to... Okay, I think I got my cursor back, and what I had to do was I had to go up here to the Autodesk drop down and go to Options, and then go to my Profile tab and click Set Current. Now we'll let you know that I think I had to do this 3 times to get my cursor back, so if you run into that problem, you may have to just keep trying. And what that does, it's supposed to refresh your profile and make it, the settings back to default, or get your cursor to reappear. Don't really know what happened there. Anyway, moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this now that I have a cursor back. And I'm going to move this to here, and I'm going to hit Escape. And as soon as I do that, you notice that everything is like really teeny tiny here. So one thing that I need to do now is I need to actually set my scale.